these two sides are sure to draw a big crowd, and there's no exception today.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone
everyone, this is my first
and this is the 11 unveiled by the home
with
team.
my audio recorder this time. So
The away side has
we're
gone
going
for
to do a
this
Dream League
lineup.
match today, and we'll see how it goes, and hopefully this test run goes well.
Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Suarez.
Parejo.
They got Suarez on their team. Oh. Wait, but this is Valencia. What the?
Oh, that was nice.
I'm trying to get this audio
And he's won it back for his team.
because my first test run sounded very weak and blurry. So I'm hoping for really good audio this time, and hopefully we can record a nice match.
Bale shoots.
Oh,
His
wow,
teammates
Bale.
swam him.
Bale.
So great stuff.
That's it, Bale. You bum. Look at that replay. Boom. Fire. Yeah, so Bale's pretty good. He's one of my favorite players of all time.
It's the first goal of the day and a thoroughly deserved lead.
And we're back underway here.
Suarez.
It's Perez.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Let's go, James. James.
Rodriguez. And that is a
Oh,
fantastic
James
goal.
Rodriguez. I'm talking about. Yeah, he's actually a really good center. James has scored actually this week in a match for Colombia versus Bolivia. Scored on a penalty.
And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. It's Perez. Parejo.
Let's go, Ronaldo.
And he's won it back for his team.
Ronaldo. Here comes CR7.
That's a crack. His teammates
Oh,
swam him.
unstoppable.
Rightly so. Great stuff.
Celebration. Ronaldo's a beast. I really like this new Dream League update. All the new players and the graphics. And the players look. It looks
It's
just
3-0 now. Oh, he did really well there.
Let's go.
Good interception.
It's Perez.
Oh, Perez. Let's see which one.
Striker's ball.
But like I just.
And that's
Okay.
a goal kick.
That was weird. Yeah, I also like the goalie view. It looks really nice to see the goalie view.
Keeper sends it long. Bale on the ball.
Oh, shit.
Oh, well intercepted.
Whoa, ref.
Nani.
Ref out of the foul.
And he's back in possession. Iturbe.
Oh, Dybala.
And he stayed onside. And now
Oh,
did he
Dybala. Paulo
And
Dybala.
that is a fantastic
Tapa po
goal.
Paulo Dybala. No Joya. Oh. Paulo Dybala is one of those rising stars right now in soccer. 2016 to 17, the guy's been scoring amazing goals for Juventus.
He keeps adding to his team's tally. It's becoming a rout.
Oh, snap.
Suarez. And there's the half-time whistle. Great display of football between these two teams.
That was a pretty good first half. Oh, ads.
So a few changes at the break. Let's see what difference they make. And off we go.
The respective team talks at half-time might have been very different. But can they get back into this one?
They want to add to their lead here. They've won it back.
Iturbe.
Bale on the ball.
Gets the cross in.
Oh, snap.
And it's saved
Whoa,
by
that
the
was
keeper.
really slided right through on that one.
Good interception.
Oh, I can't see the replay. Fine.
Nani.
Well read.
32. Okay, let's try and score another one.
And now Dybala.
Oh, that's pretty good.
And that is a fantastic goal.
Nice one, Dybala. Great work. Boom! Oh, yeah!
It's just one after the other. With this team, the manager will be ecstatic. It's Perez. Parejo. Oh, determined challenge there. And Dybala.
Ronaldo.
Okay, let's see. Oh, that was weird.
Played back to the goalkeeper.
Oh, that was close.
Bale on the ball. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Just inside.
Well intercepted.
Defenders are looking to the assistant with a flag
Hat
staged
trick!
down.
Hat
There's
trick!
literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick.
Unstoppable! Oh, you're pretty good, Dybala. I thought that was offside a bit. The ref didn't see that.
Fantastic performance from this player and an example to young players everywhere as he grabs a hat-trick. Parejo.
Right?
They've got the lead, but to keep it, they're still going to need to have their
Oh.
composure.
Shoots. Buffon with the save.
Alaba with the clearance. Iturbe.
Oh, that was
Oh,
close.
that's pretty good.
Surely will take it.
Oh,
He
Ford.
drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. The goalkeeper stood no chance.
No chance, definitely. I'm lagging a bit here. Boom! You know, I'm gonna see if I can make a sub. No. Good. Oh, looks like they're subbing.
A tactical change here then.
Tactical change.
Nani. It's with the striker.
And he's won it back for his team. And Dybala.
Dybala for a fifth. Yeah. Oh,
Good
wow.
block there.
Cleared upfield.
That's a good
And
block.
there we have it. Goals flying in today.
Okay,
for
that
the
was a
winning
good
team.
game.
They'll be celebrating in
Great work,
style
Valencia.
tonight.
Great work, team.
Oh, fantastic
Dybala.
effort from him. Well deserved. The Man of the Match award.
Really well deserved.